In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically email reports in QuickBooks Online. If you regularly send the same report to yourself, your team, or a client, setting up automatic report emails can save you a lot of time and help you stay consistent. Instead of manually opening the report and sending it every time, QuickBooks Online lets you create a workflow so the report is delivered on a schedule. To get started, go to the left-hand menu and click on Reports. From there, open the specific report that you want to automatically email. Make sure it's the exact report you need, since this is the one QuickBooks will use for the scheduled workflow. Once the report is open, look to the top right corner of the report window and click on the three dots. In that menu, choose Schedule Report. This will open the setup area where you can create the workflow for automatic delivery. Now enter a clear name for the report or workflow. It's a good idea to use a name that makes the purpose obvious, especially if you plan to schedule multiple reports later. A descriptive name will make it much easier to manage everything. Next, set the workflow to Schedule and Send. This tells QuickBooks that you want the report to be sent automatically based on a schedule, rather than just saved as a one-time action. After that, choose your start date and time. This determines when the automated sending begins. Then set how often the report should repeat. Depending on your needs, you can configure the timing so the report goes out regularly without any extra manual work. You'll also have the option to choose an end date, or you can select Never if you want the workflow to continue indefinitely. If this is an ongoing report you expect to use long-term, the Never option can be especially useful. In the section labeled How would you like this action to happen? Choose who the report should be sent to, then enter the subject line and the message that will go along with the emailed report. Keep the subject clear and the message simple, so recipients immediately understand what they're receiving. You can also choose the file format for the report. QuickBooks lets you send it as Excel, PDF, or CSV, so select the format that works best for the people receiving it. Before finishing, take a moment to double-check all the details, including the recipients, schedule, message, and format. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Turn On. That will enable the workflow and start automatically emailing the report based on the schedule you selected. That's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.